Oh, it was a beautiful bit of line and length, and there's that extra bounce from the big guy.
The wicket-keeper could have gotten to this. I'm thinking first slip. You're being a little bit harsh, Danny.
Schooling. On again, up and over. Oh, wonderful strike here from Mohammad Hafeez.
For it to scoot across this outfield for another boundary. So back-to-back fours.
Didn't get a wicket the other day. He's too short again with his first one. Here's 4 more.
This one hasn't been timed either. Oh, dear me. No, he's charged in.
It's short, it was mishit. It was there for the taking for deep mid-wicket, but he came herring in off the line. This one smashed down the ground. This is beautifully played.
Take advantage of. He comes down the wicket. He'll pick up another 4 here. Can't get around the skipper.
Might have winded himself a bit in the process. Here we see he's at the back of the hand. Hafeez aiming dead straight.
This time, leg side, plenty of it. Into the wind or not. That has gone all the way.
There we go. He's gone very straight, 2 balls in a row. He stayed very still, this delivery.
Naveen Tumbe. Goodness me. And that's swung away into the breeze. Chance. So spilt over the boundary.
The deep mid-wicket fence. He's already charged in and let one go over his head. He's trying to make amends for his team. Look at this. Look at the commitment. Flying along, full-length dive, straight through the hands.
He's grabbed a handful of fresh air. Still going at 49. Slower ball, swung, backward a square. Way to the boundary for 4 more. This time again, 6 more. Wonderful shot.
Swung round the corner. Beautifully played, Hafeez.